Hello! Hola! I'm Luma the Llama. Today we're learning one important word.
Stop means stop. In Spanish, we say alto. Let's sing and learn together.
Stop, stop, listen please. Alto is our word today. Stop and look around. When something feels not right, alto, it's okay to make this sound. Stop, alto, if you need help, say it loud. Stop, alto, keep yourself safe and sound. Alto before you cross the street. Alto if something's wrong. Alto and wait for mom or dad, they'll help you all along. Stop, alto, Spanish word is alto. Stop, alto, say it clear and slow. Hands up, pause and stay. Look and listen first. Being safe is smart to do. Learning comes first. Stop, alto, you did such a great job today. Stop, alto, gracias for singing with me.